How to maximize the busy cleaning season. It's the last quarter of the year, so this should be, for most of you, the busiest season of the year. So let's go through some things that I know are currently working really, really well for cleaners, and some things that I know that have worked really, really well this last quarter, especially the last few years. So first and foremost, it is about getting your schedule booked. So don't get me wrong, but not just busy, because you need to be charging enough. You need to be having the right clients and not driving all around town doing crazy things. So first and foremost, I highly recommend that you concentrate on marketing to your past clients. And we do this through text marketing, email marketing, and postcards. Yes, good old-fashioned postcards sent through the mail. I'll go over examples real quick of all three of those and show you. So in the software that we give our ad club members, there's also other software out there. We have the ability to help you mail a text message and email to your past clients. So this is an example of something that you might want to send like right now, or even at the beginning of November. Could even be too late, but right now, maybe ideally, just letting them know that, hi, this is John with, whoever your cleaning company is. Since you've been such a great client, let them know they've been a good client. Let them know that you want to give them a special holiday offer, or you can skip that part of it if you'd like, and just have it just a reminder of you've been a great client. Make sure that you call, because our schedule gets booked up 2 to 3 weeks in advance. Let them know that that's going on as a customer service. So that does two things. One, it helps them to be reminded to call early whenever they want cleaning, but it also lets them just be educated that they need to have cleaning done before the holidays, that you're still there, you're still around, and if you want to, give them a light special offer. So this is something that's really, really important to do. As well, sending out an email. Now, the great thing about email is it's cheap to do. You can send them a little bit more often. This is an email that we have actually in our portal for the software that we give our ad club members, where basically, it's all written for you. All you have to do for the entire year is just put in your logo once and your phone number once and your website once. Then all of these are auto-populated for the entire year. But it's got a picture. It's got your logo and a quick message. You can have a special offer. You can also let them know about your referral program. Also, probably it'd be a good idea to remind them that it's time to book early, because it's your busy time of year. Now, in addition to that, send out a postcard with the same exact message. Now, here's the thing, because sometimes you think, well, postcards, that's more expensive to do than these other things we've talked about, but it's not that much, and believe me, your clients are worth it. So let's go through what's really involved. These postcards, when we mail them out, are around 50 cents per postcard. This is an 8.5 by 11 or 8.5 by 5.5 inch postcard, full color, but it's just letting them know that it's holiday cleaning time, letting them know that the big benefit is they're going to make their home look great for the holidays. Let them know about your referral program, maybe a special offer. You also might want to put a blurb in there too about they need to call and book early for holiday cleaning. Go ahead and get those early holiday cleaning calls coming in. Now, the thing about a postcard is somebody at that house, and it's usually the decision maker that hires the cleaning company, is going to actually pick up that postcard and read it. Unfortunately, with email, that's not always the case. Emails get lost all the time. With text messages, the bad thing about the text messages get read a lot, but the thing is, people do ask to unsubscribe. The other thing is, you can't look at the message that you can tell, and this is even a lengthy message, actually. You can't say more of a message than this. You can actually go in and send them the logo. You can tell more of a story. You can put a picture of you here. You can, and then the other great thing is it's a pass around piece that they can give to friends, family members, neighbors. And a lot of the times these postcards will go up on the refrigerator and they'll save this for when they need it. Okay, so that is past client marketing. Definitely you want to touch on that. Do something to get anybody past to come back. Now, the other thing you're probably asking is, well, I'm new in business, or I also want to get new clients. After you've done some past client marketing, we need to think about and concentrate on Google. At Google, people are going there when they don't know who to call. Sometimes even when they know of your company name, they might not know it exactly. They're still going to Google you, right? You need to be there whenever they have this phenomenon of going to Google and finding their cleaning company. So you need to be showing up for your keywords, and there's a few different places that this goes on. One, this is Google Guaranteed up here, which is a paid location. Google Ads, which is a paid location. Google Local, also sometimes called Google Maps, and Google Organic, which shows up down here. Now let me ask you this, if maybe sometimes I talk to cleaners and they go, well, I'm already ranking in places or organic. Well, would you want to show up in more than one spot? Well, the answer is yes. So then that way you've got more possibility that they're actually going to call you. So showing up in multiple locations is a good idea. Sometimes too, I have talked to many cleaners that have done both Google Guaranteed and Google Ads. Some say, in fact, if they do them well, a lot of them say the Google Ads is a better return for the money than Google Guaranteed. Really depends on how you work the system and what you do, but that's definitely possible. But even if that's the case, wouldn't you want to be in there for both, right? And then the other thing is you're not always showing up for all of your services in all of your cities. So concentrate on that, especially if you need business coming in. Google Ads is important. And then also search engine optimization on showing up here and also in Google Places. We have an entire course that we're doing right now, actually in the Ad Club, for getting ranked on top of Google that students are going through and having lots of success and helping their website rank better. We also have an entire course on Google Ads where we give you the entire list of keywords that we use. We give you ad examples, and then I even can review your ad for you if you're part of that course and just look at it and let you know if you've done it well. So that's an important thing to do as well. Getting ranked quickly and getting ranked well and staying ranked is a smart thing to do. So from there, what else can you do? Well, every door direct mail is something that's been around for a few years that works really, really well. That is targeting neighborhoods. We also sometimes use not only every door direct mail, but just a bulk mail where we get a mailing list for you, buy that, and then mail to specific zip codes, mail to specific areas, or even 5 around or 10 around or 20 around homes that you've already cleaned for. And basically in these postcards, this is like one example it's a postcard, but it looks like a doorknob hanger. We kind of mimicked it to look like a leave behind doorknob hanger. And then we send that out. And then we also have several other postcards. This is a good fall postcard. Your neighbor just had cleaning done, so here are 3 free gifts for you. And again, these gifts can change just based on your own cleaning service. Just letting them know that you often clean there. A picture maybe of the front of their neighborhood or something noteworthy in your area. It doesn't have to be the front of the neighborhood, but that's always a smart thing. So every door direct mail or just neighborhood postcard marketing can be a really great thing to do this time of year. As well, concentrating on a referral program. Right now, guys, people that are realtors and carpet retailers and flooring retailers and interior designers are getting calls. And if not yet, they're about to, from their clients asking, well, who do I hire for a cleaning company? I need to get that rug cleaned or my hardwood floor done or whatever service. So they're getting these calls. So you need to be marketing to them now if you have any time at all, spare time at all, going back to them, maybe dropping off a goodie bag like this that basically has a whole bunch of either your business cards. A gift card would be an even better thing. Your company sticker on the front. We can help you with all of those. We have templates for the gift cards, stickers, all of this type of stuff, brochures, a couple of your brochures, and then treats. Goodies are a really, really smart thing to put inside of there too, because that's really the way to their heart, right? Sometimes you might even want to bring in donuts and do the same type of thing with your sticker on the front. But the gift cards, famous cookies, Oreos, your best brochures, maybe your latest client postcard, that type of thing popped in the bag. And then have it on a route where you're going in and you're visiting all those realtors, all those people that you want to refer you. And as well, I highly recommend that you get a gift card. You know, realtors love these because they can keep them in a small location and pass them out to their clients. And then they're giving them a gift based on whatever, if you decide to be at 25 or 50 or 100 or whatever you want it to be, but it's a gift from you on their behalf. So it's a win-win, and that can work really, really well for getting referrals. So this is just a crash course marketing template of what I would do, what I've done, what my clients have done to have a killer last quarter. The thing is, having a combination of all these, guys, it's not just one thing, but the combination of all of these. Also in the Ad Club coming up, we're also doing a WordPress course coming up very, very soon to show you guys how to set keywords on your website, how to tweak your WordPress website. We're going to be going over that here coming up in a couple of weeks to help you do that coming into the year. Get prepped, get ready, work on all of these, guys. Granted, not all of them at one time, but all of these can work. I'd recommend that you be working on at least 2 or 3 of these things to get booked and stay booked and have the best quarter at the end of the year. All right, guys, happy cleaning.